Let's begin, Ms. Mitchell, Mr. Jarvis. How long has it been since the divorce?
4.5. Almost 5 years now, Your Honor.
And how many children do you share?
2 boys, Elijah and Carter.
And the younger one, Elijah, he's the one injured.
Yes, ma'am. The incident happened at his father's house during a weekend visit.
Can you walk me through what happened?
He was playing in the backyard with a neighbor's kid. Something about a makeshift ramp and a bike. He went airborne and landed bad. Broke his arm in 2 places. The neighbor ran to get Daniel, but by the time they got to the hospital, it was already complicated.
Mr. Jarvis, were you supervising at the time?
I was inside maybe 5 minutes. I stepped away to take a phone call.
5 minutes too long.
Let's keep it respectful. So, Ms. Mitchell, you're here today asking Mr. Jarvis to pay for half of the medical costs that weren't covered by your insurance?
That's correct. I'm not asking him to cover it. All just what's fair. Half.
And you disagree?
Yes, Your Honor, I don't think it's my responsibility.
Then whose would it be?
I mean, in the divorce papers, it doesn't say anything about me covering medical or dental bills.
Let me get this straight. You're saying the decree is silent on medical coverage?
Yes, ma'am. It doesn't assign that responsibility to either of us.
So it doesn't say you're responsible, but it also doesn't say your ex-wife is either. That's correct. So when your ex-wife says, I'll pay half, she's actually offering a solution, not a problem. Doesn't that sound reasonable?
Yes, ma'am, I suppose it does.
Good. Let's move on then. Ms. Mitchell, do you have documentation of the unreimbursed medical expenses?
Yes, here's everything. X-rays, hospital invoices, what insurance paid, and what's left unpaid.
Did you calculate the total remaining balance?
Yes, Your Honor. It's just under $2,000. Precisely $1,984.
So you're asking Mr. Jarvis to pay $982?
Exactly.
Well, I agree. You should receive that. Mr. Jarvis, you do pay child support, correct?
Yes, $511 a month.
For 2 teenagers?
Yes, ma'am.
Who carries the medical insurance?
My husband, my current husband. He covers both boys.
Mr. Jarvis, $511 is on the lower end for child support of 2 teenage boys. But that aside, you're lucky someone else is already footing the insurance bill. The least you can do is handle your share of what's left and paid. Now, Ms. Mitchell, you've included another claim about orthodontics.
Yes, both boys, especially Carter. The older one have complex jaw issues. Not just crooked teeth. It's affecting their bite, their speech. It's not cosmetic, it's medical.
Did insurance deny it?
Yes, the providers said their cases were beyond what the policy could cover. They referred us out of network to surgeons and specialists.
Why didn't you appeal the insurance company?
We're in the process. But meanwhile, Carter's jaw alignment is worsening. We can't wait.
Not uncommon for insurance companies to duck out when things get complicated. But don't let them. You appeal. You escalate. You make noise. They can't just say too hard, not our problem.
We're trying. We're doing everything we can.
Mr. Jarvis, what's happening here is not unreasonable. You have 2 sons. They didn't stop being yours when the ink dried on your divorce.
I understand that, Your Honor.
They're almost grown. 15 and 17. Your financial responsibility won't last forever. For a while it says you need to show up, even if it means sacrificing more than you used to.
I hear you.
Then act like it. I'm ordering you to pay $982 to Ms. Mitchell for the unreimbursed medical expenses related to Elias' injury. As for the orthodontic bills, those need to go through the proper. Continue to push that case. If it's a medical necessity, don't stop fighting for your kids. Children don't stop needing both parents just because a marriage ends. They just need both parents to keep showing up. Judgment for the plaintiff. Court is adjourned.